Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me, and from the looks of me standing, I am bringing a product review, but I guess it's in the makeup world, it's makeup related or whatever, but it's not going to be an actual makeup product. It's going to be an electronic that you see back here. This is a ring light for those of you who are may be familiar with it, may not be familiar with it, but a ring light is a wonderful and useful item that us makeup people like to use. Photographers also like to use it for their photography. Makeup lovers and makeup artists and all that use the ring light as well for the perfect clear, bright lighting to do your makeup correctly. We all know that when you do makeup in the wrong type of lighting, which a lot of times we tend to do it in yellow lighting, it looks completely different when you go outside. So I just wanted to show you this product that was sent to me from Pixel, and this is the Pixel 19-inch bi-color light, and I'm just gonna pretty much be showing to you the differences between this one and the ring light that I am presently using right now. So thank you, Pixel, for sending me this product. As usual, when I do my reviews, they're always 100% honest, whether they're free or not. I always give my best opinion as I possibly can, and yeah, that's it. So okay, so as I was saying, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light for you and just show you the features. And I'm actually going to compare it to the ring light that I am using now. I will put the links below for both of the ring lights so that you can see the pricing and everything. And I'm also going to put down below a coupon code that Pixel sent me so that you can get a discount and compare the prices, because even with the discount you might find a better price somewhere else. So everything is up to you. It also depends on what features you want, if you can live without certain features, so it's all up to you. So I'm just going to show you what the product entails. So this is pretty much a basic 19-inch I said ring light. It has the stand. It's a totally long stand, so you can stand it up on your floor. It is adjustable. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the back really quickly. Here you go. So here's how the back looks, and it's pretty much this is like a screen of some sort. I'm just gonna adjust the camera so that you can see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light from here, so just so that you can see the function of the screen. So it's pretty much, I mean, honestly, in my opinion, I just think this is all like like gimmicky. I don't really think you need, per se such, a digital screen to see what you're doing. There is this little wheel here where you're able to obviously adjust the light and, put the light up. It lets you know how much the light is brightened or not. And it has these little buttons here, which are basically, just dimming lights. You're using it to dim. Honestly, I can live without this feature. I really don't think it's a humongous deal if you don't have that. Because again, I mean, I can just go and adjust the light over here on the little wheel, and do the same thing on the buttons over here. So it really doesn't make so much of a difference. This button here will keep the memory, so to say. So if you turn off the mirror, you turn it out in the mirror. If you turn off the light and turn it back on, it will keep the memory of the last setting that you had on the light. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so that you can see. Let's turn this back around here. I really need like a cameraman or something. So yeah, well my husband's not here yet. He should be getting home soon. But anyway, so here is how the ring light looks. This is at its brightest. The cool thing is that this also not only does it have the cool lighting, but it also has warm lighting as well. I'm trying to find that feature back here. There it is. So this also has warm lighting. So here's the warm lighting, which is basically, it's a warmer tint. It's like a yellowish tint. It's up to you if you need that feature. I know that people do use that in photography. You can use that, just to add some warmth to your pictures. So, that's pretty much mostly a photography thing. So if you do use that feature, then this would be a great feature for you if you happen to use that feature. So that's a pretty cool thing that it has the warm lighting. So again, you can see that I went back to the cool lighting, which is mostly what I use, and I think mostly what people use to apply makeup and to record videos. So again, this is pretty much it. It's, you know, it's pretty much a get to the point product. I overall like the product. I've had it for a little while now. I did not want to use it for like a day or two and then get on here and say how wonderful and awesome it is, and then it like turns off or blows up in my room or something. I have no idea. So I really just wanted to make sure that, you know, I actually like the product before I go and promoted the product. So obviously it's going to have its little pieces that it's going to come with for you to mount your digital camera. It also has a separate mount to put your phone if you want to record from your phone. It has a mount here as well that you can do so. So I mean, I like the light. I mean, it's pretty standard. I honestly think that, you know, the whole blue screen, it looks great. I don't care for it. I can do without it, really. It's nice and lightweight. It's very stable. I've had ring lights, or, you know, I've seen ring lights that are not as stable. They're kind of like flimsy in a sense. But this one I find is actually kind of stable, and it's lightweight. It's actually a little lighter than the present ring light I have. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the digital camera off of my present ring light that I'm using, and I'm just going to show you the differences, which really aren't many, but just want to give you that option so that you can find which one is better for you. Okay, so here is the ring light that I am presently using, or was using for the video. Same exact, you know, thing, same exact point. It's the same measurements. Now, the two differences, well, the first difference that I noted right away was when I turned on both lights. If you can see here, you can actually see, you know, the little bulbs. I don't know if the camera is really letting you see that or not, but you can see, you know, the tiny little light bulbs in the ring light, as opposed to the other ring light. This is strictly pure, you know, light, or pure tube of light. I'm not really sure how to say it, but this is just a pure ring of light. There are no individual bulbs. It may or may not affect how you see things. I didn't notice too much of a difference about that. I'm just pointing it out. Another thing, this ring light is from Newer. I got this, I think, like a year ago or something that I got it. Again, it's the same concept. The only thing that I'm gonna say is the one with Newer, it has like a swivel neck, so you're able to manipulate the ring light however you want. The one from Pixel does not have a swivel neck. It is just a solid neck. So again, that will depend on your preferences. If you know, I don't know, if you tend to take pictures, really exaggerated pictures that you need to move the neck or what have you, you know, that would be your choice at the end. But again, everything is almost the same. And another thing is that the Newer light is a little bit more heavy than the one from Pixel. The one from Pixel is definitely a little bit lighter than this one, and this one just feels a little bit stable, feels just a little bit more stable. But I say that, I think, really because since it doesn't have a swivel neck, because the swivel neck, since it's so easy to move, obviously if you pick it up and start, you know, messing around with it, it doesn't feel as stable because of that swivel effect. So as opposed to this one that doesn't have it, once you put it down, it stays, you know, pretty much intact. Okay guys, so there you go. This was pretty much a short video. I mean, it's not like I had a whole bunch of stuff to report about. I just wanted to show you the light that was sent to me. They were generous enough to give me a coupon code for the subscribers of my channel to see if, you know, if any of you would like it. So, I like both mirrors. Again, I'm going to put the other one down below because some people might be interested in it. I'm definitely going to put the link down for this product right here. And you decide which one you like. Again, there are, you know, very slight differences that I pointed out. But overall, this is a really nice mirror. I mean, why do I keep saying mirror? This is a really nice light. And again, I mean, I'm going to say the plus is that you're able to do cool lighting and warm lighting. So that really depends if it's all, you know, if that's something that you find yourself using in the future, then I would say go ahead and, you know, and work with it. Go ahead and do it, girl, you know? So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will be here again with a video really, really soon. So thank you guys for watching me, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Adios.